Yet, ito ang naging sagot ni Jessie Mendiola kay Boy Abunda nang mapag-usapan nila kung posible bang pumasok sa politika ang kanyang asawa na si Luis Manzano nang mapag-usapan nila ito sa Fast Talk with Boy Abunda kamakailan. Ayon kay Jessie, hindi niya pa masabi kung papasukin na rin ng asawang TV host ang politika gaya ng kanyang ina na si Vilma Santos at stepfather na si Ralph Recto. Kasi ang dami ring nagtatanong sa akin. Recently kasi si Luis, he has been doing events in Lipa kasi si Tito Ralph is very busy. So si Luis yung pumupunta for him and maraming nagtatanong sa akin kung tatakbo ba siya. Is he gonna get into politics? And as of now, I cannot answer yet. Ani Jessie. Kwento pa ni Jessie. Dati ay tutol na tutol siya sa posibilidad na pagiging politiko ni Luis. Aniya, but you know, before. Siguro kung before to, nung mag-girlfriend, boyfriend pa lang kami. I would say na, actually. Sinabi ko talaga to. Sabi ko sa kanya, pag ikaw tumakbo, hihiwalayan talaga kita. Natatawang sinabi ni Jessie. Paliwanag niya, I know naman it's for our country, di ba? It's for the Filipinos. But for me kasi, I kind of grew up in showbiz. And you know, showbiz is a different world, and politics also is another different world. So parang for me, hindi ko alam kung kaya kong I-handle yun. Pero ngayon na na-expose na raw si Jessie sa trabaho ng kanyang in-laws ay mas naunawaan niya na ang public service. But at this point, now that I am married to him, and also I've been with sila Mom Sky, Vilma Santos, sila Tito Ralph, Recto, mas lalo na nung pandemic, I've seen kung paano yung public service nila. Isa lang masasabi ko talaga, grabe talaga yung public servants natin. I mean of course, I could only speak for my in-laws. Para sa akin si Luis, family niya yan and that's That's part of him and I cannot deny him that, ani Jessie. Dagdag pa niya, if ever man he's gonna run, sino ba naman ako para ipagkait sa kanya yung ganong parte ng buhay niya? So sinabi ko talaga sa kanya, just in case, di ba? If ever you decide to run, I will be here for you. Parang inassure ko siya. Samantala, nito lamang February 2024. Muling nagpakasal sina Jessie at Luis sa isang beach wedding sa Palawan.